Miley, and this is Chichi. Hello! So, I know a lot of people use wax to remove their hair. I do too. I used to use wax strip to remove my hair, but it hurts a lot. So, today I'll be showing you guys how to use these Karlash Hard Wax. It might be a little bit too hot to put on your skin, so you might want to let it cool down a little bit before you put on your skin. And this is actually my first time making YouTube videos. I'm so excited. Yeah, so if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments down below, and make sure you guys subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, click the bell button to receive our notification. And so let's get started.
So this is a wax warmer. This machine heats up the wax to a liquid or honey-like consistency to be applied later. And it heats up to 240 degrees. When you turn it on, the lights go on too. This spatula helps to easily smoothen out the wax on the skin. These are the hard wax you'll be using. Don't they look like candies? And they also come in 4 colors. So first we have black currant wax, then we have chamomile wax, then we have lavender wax, and last we have aloe wax.
The first step is really easy. So we just have to make sure the area that we're gonna be waxing is clean, no makeup and no sweat. Make sure there's no dirt, so the wax can work its magic. And now I'm using a paper towel with some clean water just to wipe it. And you can also use an oil to separate the skin and wax more easily. I like to use sesame oil. You can also use baby powder to prevent sweat.
First we open the lid, then we turn the heat on up to 240 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. The light will turn on to show that it is on. When we're warming the wax, it should look like a smooth consistency. So now we open the wax bean and pour them all in. When we're applying the wax, it will dry quickly, so we need to apply it smooth and quickly. When it's ready to mix and use, we put it back onto 160 degrees. So while we're waiting for it to melt, we should take out the wooden spatula, which looks like ice cream popsicle sticks, for mixing and applying later. Once the wax looks ready to go, you can give it a mix and allow the wax to get that fluid, smooth texture. Make sure when you apply the wax, you apply a good amount of pressure because you want the wax to get down to the skin to cover all the hair. You should use the long side of the spatula to apply the wax so you can have more control and consistency. Do not use the tip of the spatula because you may not spread the wax evenly. Now when you apply it, you need to go with the natural hair growth. Since my hair grows towards my hands, I will bring the wax up to my hand then back down. Remember to wait until the wax is not too hot when applying. Try to make the edges of the wax not too thin. If wax gets on the wax warmer, don't worry, it can come off later when it dries. Wait for the wax to cool down before pulling it off. You can touch it to see if it's cool enough to pull off. Pull it off from the tip and do it fast so it takes all the hair out in one smooth go. That was quick, easy, and didn't hurt. There may be leftovers. Just rub them off or use the wax to help take them off later. They're easy to take off. You can see on the wax that all the hair came off in one go.
Okay, so now we're done with the waxing. You can unplug your wax warmer, go wash your hands, put on some lotion to moisturize your skin. And if you like our video, click the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, comments down below. And if you ever try this, tell us what you think about it. Also, make sure you guys subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get our notification from us. And thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.